Hi, I'm Tom Schwanee, Enrolled Agent. I'm going to talk here in this section about IRS audit selection. I'm one of the preparers that was around when the audit system was developed to the fine process that it is today. Many years ago, they used to do what we called, or they called, TCMP, Taxpayer Compliance Measurement Program, where an unfortunate few people would have every line and every deduction, every scrap of income analyzed so that the program would have accurate data for determining what is too much in the way of deduction. And from that, they developed a program called DIF scoring, DIF, which stands for Discriminant Function Scoring, so that they could pick out of the mass who would be most likely to achieve additional revenue on audits. It was quite an interesting experience. Today, they've got it much more refined. They use what we call a CP 2000 program that sends letters to people whose files don't match what the IRS has. They raise a lot of money that way. Incidentally, they're not always right, so make sure you read them right. I have covered that in another program that I did here for Expert Village. And further, what I found is under the modern system, that little bell goes off in my head with some of the more aggressive preparers, and you can almost tell who they're going to pick, and they do a pretty good job of it. So if you're keeping the records and doing the best you can, your audit probability is very slim, because it's down to about very most 2% of taxpayers. So keep it honest and keep good records. Thank you. Tom Schwanee.